What's up, guys? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is Orbs again. And yes, today another blessed day. And of course, another reaction video. So wag na natin patagalin, guys. I'm so excited, and in my previous video, we have been reacting sa performance ni Jessica Sanchez sa AGT this 2025. After so many years, bumalik siya sa stage para mag-compete. And remember, guys, we already mentioned that she is pregnant. I think 8 months right now. And yeah, si Jessica po ay isang half Filipina, half Spanish, I think, American, mixed ethnicity, no? And what I'm love about her is sobrang galing netong artist na to na si Jessica, no? And she's been through a lot after so many years nang mag-compete siya sa iba-ibang platforms or competition, but still she's still fighting. And right now papanoorin natin yung performance niya, and I think nakapasok na siya sa semifinals of this performance ng Ordinary. Ordinary, guys. I know some of you alam nyo tong kanta na to. And yes, wag na natin patagalin to. Panoorin na natin si Jessica Sanchez sa pag-deliver niya ng powerful renditions of Ordinary habang 8 months pregnant. Ito yung nakaka-excite dito. And yes, let's do this. And guys, before I forgot again, kung bago ka sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod nating videos, no? Alright, thank you so much. Alright, sige, panoorin na natin. Let's do this. Hello, hello. Ayan. Let's go.
This town lost its free, the colors will fade eventually. So if our time is running out, day after day.
Her voice is very refreshing, no? Pag naririnig ko talaga yung kumakanta to si Jessica, alam mo yon, yung parang ramdam na ramdam ko na may pagka-Pilipino talaga siya.
We'll make the mundane our masterpiece. Oh my, my. Oh my love, take a look at you, taking me out.
That's sexy. Kung narinig niyo yun, that's sexy. Ang ganda nun, ang ganda nun. And I'm so excited kung paano niya bibigyan ng justice yung kanta na to na Ordinary. And napakataas na itong song na to. And yeah, let's see.
Of the ordinary, I want you laying me down to a dead and buried on the edge of your night, staying drunk on your vine.
And I think, guys, she never changed. Nakita mo naman, sobrang ganda pa rin niya. And nakita ko yung bumps sa tiyan. And hindi naman naapektuhan yung quality ng voice niya, no? And that's a good thing.
The angels up in the clouds,
hey,
are jealous of what we found. Something so out of the ordinary. You got me kissing the ground of your sanctuary. Shadow me with your touch. Oh Lord, return me to death.
What I have noticed, guys, ang atake niya dito is kinda original, no?
The angels up in the clouds are jealous of what we found. Oh, bless, hallelujah.
Hey.
On this side of heaven's gate, oh my life, how do you breathe and take my breath
Hey!
away?
Hey, narinig mo ba yun? Sobrang linis, ganda, sobra. Nice, nice, nice.
At your altar, I will pray. You're the sculptor on the clay. Oh my, you're taking me out.
Hey! Hey!
I want you laying me down to a dead and buried on the edge of your night, staying drunk on your vine. The angels up in the clouds are jealous of what we found. Something so out of the ordinary.
Hey!
You got me kissing the ground of your
Wow!
sanctuary.
Nice, sobrang ganda nun. Sobrang ganda nung runs na yun. And papunta sa high notes, boom! Woo! Nice, 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 nice. Right, guys, ako I'm rooting for Jessica to win this competition, no. Of course, hindi lang sa career niya and of course sa dinadala niya din, no. Kasi magbibigay siya ng a newborn child in this world and I hope that child ay magmana din sa kanya na you know, it's an artist. Anyway, so excited ko anong mangyayari dito sa AGT and the good thing here is I believe nakapasok na nga siya sa quarterfinals or semifinals.
Shadow me with your touch. Come over, tell me to dance.
Ooh,
The
that's
angels up in
nice.
the clouds are jealous, so only found something so out of the ordinary. You got me kissing the ground of your sanctuary. Shadow me with your touch. Oh, lover, tell me to dance.
Hey, that's nice. That trips. No, sobrang ganda nun. Ang ganda, ang linis.
The angels up in the clouds are jealous, no one we found.
Wow. Amazing performance. Kita mo naman sa you know, emotions niya right nang habang kumakanta, no? Like sobrang happy niya and yes, sobrang exciting tong part na to and sana siya na ang manalo dito sa AGT, no? Like of course sa ating iba pang artist na sinusubaybayan. Please guys, kung nasa ibang bansa ka and you're watching this, you're in US, please support Jessica Sanchez in her journey dito sa AGT para manalo naman po ang ating pambato. It's quite long and I think there is comments with the judges with Simon Cowell and other judges, no? Pero panoorin pa rin natin. Wow, standing ovation. Nice, nice, nice. Nice, ganda. Ganda talaga sa AGT.
Jessica Sanchez!
Nice.
Sophia, your golden buzzer!
Bravo, Jessica!
Sofia pala ang nag-golden buzzer sa
I know that
kanya.
you have
Si Sofia pala yun.
felt that
Okay.
you've been struggling because of the belly and the breathing and your voice doesn't
Yes.
feel the same, but that was spectacular.
That's
and
correct.
America is loving you.
Nice. Totoo yan guys. Sa mga, I think sa mga nagpe-perform na pregnant, nagbabago yung quality ng voice. Pero dito sa performance si Jessica, hindi ko naman narinig na may mga changes. Pero high notes nandun pa rin. Yung mga runs niya, yung quality ng voice nandun pa rin. Emotions of course nandun pa din. And I think that's why it's deserved ng standing ovations from the judges and of course the audience, no?
You are the best.
Simon!
Well, I am absolutely blown away because a few seconds ago, before Jessica came out, you know, I heard that she wasn't feeling too good, and I said, "Look, honestly, it's genuine. It's your
Hindi
choice."
pa pala maganda yung pakiramdam niya, no? So, you know, very challenging para kay Jessica talaga yung performance niya na to and wala, kailangan talagang lumaban. The show must go on.
Whether you want to do this or not, and she said, "Well, I'm talking for you," and Jessica said, "No, I want to do this."
Oh, okay. Nag-pursue pa rin pala siya kahit masama na yung pakiramdam niya. Sinabihan siya na, you know, you can not perform. Pero dahil nga competition to, kailangan niyang pakita na kaya niya talaga.
You're a very brave person. However, you said that, I'm so happy you did because you have such an amazing tone, such an amazing, and
Correct.
not only that, you have this amazing, I call it a glow, right?
Yes.
A glow about you. And people are gonna really like you. I really believe, root for you, and I'm so happy after all these years. On our 20th anniversary, you've come back. Thank
20th anniversary. It's a big comeback talaga.
Can I just say to you, you have never sounded better. I
Yes.
swear to God. God is my witness. Brilliant.
Nice,
Howie,
nice.
I was just, when you hit those big notes, I was worried that this production was going to turn into a reproduction. So I'm you live through this.
Now, Jessica, listen, it was 20 years ago you were here. Now you're back and you're a mom. And listen, you almost didn't come on stage. What does this mean to you right now?
Oh, it means everything. You know, I think I take pride in what I do on stage, and I didn't want to let my big belly affect that. So I'm super happy I was able to deliver. The judges loved it, and hopefully America loves it. Thank you guys so much.
Yes, yes, yes.
Well, we are so glad you're here too. Good luck tonight, Jessica.
Nice, 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 nice. Well, that's it for today guys. So ako naniniwala ako kung para sa iyo ang isang bagay, para sa iyo talaga ibibigay yan ni Lord sa iyo, ibibigay yan sa iyo ni Lord. Naniniwala ako doon. And dito sa journey ni Jessica no, sa pagbabalik niya sa AGT, I hope ibigay niya sa kanya to, no? Na winning, winning, winning sin para sa future na rin ng family ni Jessica, of course the baby, and of course sa pag-comeback ni Jessica sa mundo ng competition, that is a very 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 challenging, and this is a tough one for her, pero laban lang. Anyway guys, thank you so much sa pagsama sa akin today. This is Orbs again. May mga nagre-request po ng iba pang mga artists na gustong gawa natin ng reaction video. Huwag kayong mag-alala guys, nakalista po yan sa akin. Gagawa ko ng paraan para maisa-isa natin yung mga request ninyo, no? Thank you so much sa pagsama. Again, this is Orbs, and please don't forget to subscribe kung bago ka sa channel ko, and hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod nating videos. Marami pong salamat sa pagsama sa akin. This is Orbs again, and thank you so much po sa mga nagpa-follow or nagsusubscribe. Thank you so much. See ya po sa mga susunod nating video.